This is going to be quite different from my normal review videos. Disclaimer: I do not work for Deity. They have no say in the content of these videos. All content and opinions are my own, nor have they paid me in any way other than providing the items you'll see in these series. For those of you that don't believe that, I've got a special message for you at the end of this video. Episode 1, Series Introduction. There's no doubt that the Deity Connect Interview Kit and the new W.Lav lapel mics are awesome. There are plenty of review videos on these, and I'll include my favorite in the description below this video. I've been searching for years looking for what I consider the perfect lapel mic with the perfect wireless system. I know that no microphone or system is perfect, but there is a perfect system for me. What's the perfect wireless system? One I can rely on, one that always works, one I can look forward to using for many years to come as I produce another 500 videos. What's the perfect lapel mic? One I can rely on, one that works, one I can look forward to using for many years to come, and most importantly, sounds good with my voice. I don't care what the mic is. If it doesn't sound good with my voice, it's worthless to me. I've tried everything from $25 lapel mics to those costing hundreds of dollars, but none of these met those standards. When I got my hands on the Deity Connect Interview Kit, it was a system that finally fit the bill for me as a wireless system, yet the lapel mics were not quite there. I tested the W.Lav mics at NAB 2019. I was blown away with how they sounded with my voice. When it was released, I finally got my hands on the W.Lav Micro Pro, already knowing it could potentially be the lapel mic I've been looking for. I found the key to what I've been looking for is a complete system that worked in concert together, in this case consisting of the Deity Connect system and the W.Lav mics, which bring us to the series of these videos. I realized when planning on this video would end up around 4 hours long, and that's when I decided to make a series of videos. Many watching my channel are new to filmmaking and videos, many more to wireless mic systems and good lapel mics. Using the Deity Connect Interview Kit with the W.Lav Micro and Pro lapel mics, I'm going to walk through everything you need to know regarding this particular system. We'll cover terms and nomenclature, specs, how to update the firmware for all these devices, including the fabulous new features offered, every menu on each of the devices and what they mean, how to dial everything in for the W.Lavs for the best possible audio, and answer your comments and questions along the way. This is basically a course in wireless systems and lapel microphones, and I'll be posting each video completed over at Basic Filmmaker University as a free course so someone coming in later can consume all this info in one shot. More importantly, and the real purpose of this series is so you'll know what a good wireless system is, what a good lapel mic is, what features they should have, how they should perform, and like my free monitors course over at the university, you'll be armed with information to make smart buying decisions when you decide to get into wireless mic and lapel systems, no matter what you decide to purchase. In the next video, I'll describe firmware, the new features added, and do a walkthrough of how to properly update each of the devices contained in this kit. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Didn't do it for you? Okay, how about this? Disclaimer. I work for Deity, being paid $7 million a year. They wrote every word of this series. They paid me a bonus on top of my ridiculous salary to do this and delivered these products in the seat of a new Lamborghini that I get to keep. Feel better? Awesome.